Hey guys, I stole the vlog camera from Jacob Paulson, and I'm not really sure what he's up to. So let's go find him. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Not in there. Not in there. Okay, the bathroom. He's not in the bathroom, but this is the last room. Okay, that room. And before we go, you guys have to go down below and hit the like and subscribe, okay? Because I'm pretty sure something weird is going to be going on in there. I'm going to check up Paulson. What do you expect? Okay, I'm going to give you 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds right there. Okay, you better hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because stuff is about to go down. Ready? Let's go. Come on. What is that? Ew, it's a poop! He's eating a poop! Oh, he threw me with it! I was in his mouth! Ah. Oh, God. Oh, guys, you guys can just... Guys, you guys can just stay there. You guys, I'm sorry. I have to go. I'm not staying with this weirdo and his poop. What out?
You can hear it, too. Can you hear it? What the frick?
Get into my hand! Run! Ew, it's my disgusted face. Where he's going? That's poop. Look at him swing around.
We have to watch him. He won't find us.
Timber.
He won't find us. He won't find us.
Ow!
Shh. He won't see us.
Oh, the bat!
No, I think he heard us. He's looking around. The face he's making. I hope he does that face again. I'm gonna zoom in on that. What is he doing? He's doing so weird. Oh my God, it's hard to keep a straight face.
Got my knife.
Oh, he found us!
Stop!
Oh, I missed again.
Go.
He's gone. Can't find him, guys. I'm gonna pause the video until I find him, okay? See you in like a second, I guess. I'm gonna pause the video. Ready? See you in a second. Yeah.
You're gonna look at me. Okay.
Whoa. Guys, he's gone. We have to go. Come on. I'm scared. There's a...
I heard a poop.
Only one way. Oh, we closed the door. I'm zoomed in on the door. So if it opens, we'll know. I'm zoomed in on it. Okay, guys.
Oh, he threw poop at me.
He can't find us. This is my bad luck, I guess, for Friday the 13th, right? Because he's throwing poop at me.
Friday the 13th, I'm having good luck. Oh, look how much good luck I'm having. I got a PS1, boy. pencil. Gotta find it.